The Horizon Sky Tech Talks will comprise of our team and our associates who are experts in their respective fields, sharing their technical learnings throughout their careers. If you want to gain in-depth knowledge of such technical content, then stay tuned for our e-programs which will be launching soon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Horizon Sky Tech Talks. Today we are going to talk about residential township area visualization. We will talk about some basic knowledge about residential and weekend villa township area visualization. Here we can see weekend villas of sizes varying from 300 to 500 square yard. Also there are majorly three areas which are been focused in this township. The first is the clubhouse, the second is garden, and the third are the villas. The plotting is done in such a way that all the plots get exposure near to clubhouse or near to the garden. Let us talk about these areas in detail. Here we can see three different types of weekend villas with different sizes of plots. Owners can select any one from studio, 1 BHK or 2 BHK villas according to their requirement. These plots are having lush green gardens, swings, outdoor sittings and paved areas. Here presented is a beautiful clubhouse for recreational activities and social gathering with all the modern amenities. The major areas provided in the clubhouse are more as compared with the clubhouse in residential townships. The clubhouse consists of indoor-outdoor sports, swimming pool, gym and yoga, for small functions and parties, for dining, for movies and for reading purposes, and also there are many such mentioned activities. Here we can see the gardens with flower dome and high trees. The concept is inspired by Garden by Bay at Singapore. Sitting and jogging track around the garden are used for morning walks. Soothing ambience and green environment creates great atmosphere in the evening, connecting the people with the serene nature. Here we can see the 7 residential towers of 320 apartments units. It has majorly 3 areas. The first is the apartment towers with foyer. The second is various amenities such as clubhouse, gym, swimming pool, gardens, etc. And the third is the utility areas like HT substation, pump room, etc. You can also see the 6.8 lakh square feet area construction bifurcation in the table. Similarly, we can see the mega township of 30 towers with 3,250 apartment units. The township plot has 10 lakh square feet plot area and total FSI consumed is 25 lakh square feet. We will talk about FSI in further tech talks.
If you want to gain in-depth knowledge for the same topics, you can download our books from the Amazon Kindle or from our website hockeycard.com. Thank you.